What is up, everybody? Andrew here, the Hustle Millennial, coming at you with something a little bit different today. Now, this is something you may have had to deal with, or you may not have had to deal with. But if you are doing Amazon FBA, this is something you may possibly have to deal with in the future at some point in time. So, let's go ahead and get into it. We received this email a little while back letting us know that we had products marked for removal. Rather, we had products that Amazon was requiring us to mark for removal, so we did just that. They said, hey, you got 30 days, request a removal, we'll ship the inventory back to you, or we'll dispose of it, and then we'll charge you for disposing of it. So we were like, okay, we're not sure why it was marked for removal. Now, the number one reason is for damaged goods. We got it right here. We're going to go ahead and take a look in here and see exactly why it was marked for removal. But I'm guessing either damaged goods, or we did make sure to list it where Amazon was going to be handling our labeling. We weren't restricted in the product. We weren't listing it. I know sometimes you can be restricted in a brand, or you can be restricted in something, and then you can find somebody else's listing for the same item in a different category, and you won't be restricted. Why that is, I'm not sure, but that didn't happen to us here either. And we actually, what it was a peppermint roca, so it was a grocery item, and we kept one of them because, I mean, who's not going to eat peppermint roca? I mean, it's empty, but this is the condition we sent them all in. So, and the expiration date, you guys can't see that there. It is best by the 20th of December, 2019. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. So, I mean, none of these were damaged. They were within the expiration date. We're not gated. We weren't gated, and we're still not gated. So, it's going to be really interesting to see why they were returned. So, let's go ahead. These are the most awesome scissors ever, guys. Anyways, let's see here. Let's see. It was shipped. Doesn't even say what warehouse it was shipped. No? Oh, okay. So it was shipped from Las Vegas, which is weird. We sent these to Stockton in California. That was the... So, giving it a look here. They don't look bad. We get a little slip here. Vendor return. So it was shipped from Sacramento. It's weird. It says it was shipped from Las Vegas on the box here. But you're going to get a little return slip with their SKU. I'm guessing this is the SKU that they probably labeled them with. But we'll find out. And bubbles. Bottle of bubbles. Okay. Oh, yeah, no. That's, so, peppermint roca. It is what we sent them. They are all, oh, maybe. They all have the same expiration date, at least, I mean, we'll check them. But there is a big dent in that right there. And that's crazy. Let's see, are they all like that? Yeah, so they all have like a dent right here on this one side. Oh, look at this one, guys. Look at that. That is terrible. So, I mean, I can see why these are unsellable, but, I mean, this is not the condition we sent them in, guys. I'm going to do a little researching. So you can see that they put the SKU, when you choose Amazon labeling services, there's the merchant, or not merchant SKU, but there's the original SKU, and there's the one Amazon puts over, which does not match that, by the way. That's weird. So yeah, we got 6 of them. Luckily, it was only 6 of them. We paid $2 a piece for these. Maybe it was $1.75. And we were only making about $4 a piece on each one of these. Still, though, that's So that's 24 bucks that we're not making. And not only is it 24 bucks that we're not making, it's, you know what, it's 12, 15 that we're losing out on. That's not, that's not cool. So leave it in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to be doing a lot of digging to figure out, what we have to go through to resolve this. If you've had this happen to you, leave it in the comments below. Tell me what exactly you did. We're going to be contacting Amazon, letting them know that they were either damaged. Well, so this is the weird part, guys. So we sent them about 15 of them, and we only got 6 back. The rest of them have sold. The other 9 have sold. So these must have been damaged while they were in the warehouse. So that's the only reason I'm kind of upset. If we hadn't sold any of them, if they had denied them right when they got there, I could understand that as, maybe UPS guy was having a bad day and kicked the box across the van. But this is not cool. So we will definitely give you guys an update. Again, if you ever had this happen to you, leave a comment below and let us know what you did. But anyways, this is what you get back on an Amazon return, guys. As always, happy picking. Stay on the lookout for those new videos as they're going to keep coming at you. Our next video we're going to be doing is on affiliate marketing, so a bit of a change up, bit of change of pace, but we're keeping that knowledge coming at you. As always, guys, take it easy.